Well, welcome back, my lovely garden friends. I'm Dawn, that farm wife at Daybreak Farm. And today I just thought we would have just a little quick, how are my seedlings doing from the Seed Starting 101 video. So you can see this is my little grow light area, and I'm gonna turn off the light so that you can get a better look at these seedlings. I started them on February 1st. It's now February 11th. And I want to say like the tomato plant started poking through, coming up in less than a week. And even a few of the pepper plants came up in about a week's time, and the package said 10 to 21 days for pepper plants to come up. So I was really excited about that. So like I said in the video, Seed Starting 101, once the seeds started sprouting, I took off the plastic dome so that they would no longer be like in all that humidity. And so now I just water from the bottom. And the reason you want to water from the bottom is because you want those roots to grow down and you want them to get really strong and healthy. So if you water them from the top, those roots stay at the top. So water them from the bottom. And that's why there's holes in here. But let me get my camera and let's look at these just a little bit closer. Now I did have some seed fails, but mostly the ones that failed were old seeds, like seeds that I'd had from last year. Even the lettuce seeds that I grew last year that did wonderful, nothing sprouted. So, and you should be able to save seeds for a couple of years. I don't know why they didn't sprout. But it's always good to start out with fresh, new seeds, and you want to check the package date on them to make sure they're not old. It should say on there the year that they were meant for planting. But anyway, let's come on over and take a good look at the little seedlings come up, because it's super exciting. All right, so these are the pepper seedlings that are sprouted up. And you can see, like, I had 2 good rows, and those are jalapeno peppers, 2 different kinds, the giant and I think just a regular jalapeno. And then the other 2 rows were the seeds from last year of that red pepper and a red bell pepper, and have yet to sprout. Now, of course, it hasn't been 21 days. I should give them some time, and I probably will. And then I'll probably just start some more of those seeds. And then over here, I have what I'm pretty sure is my basil. It's either basil or sage, because I planted both over here and I didn't label it. So anyway, so that's those, and they came up really well. But then, like all the lettuce, none of the lettuce came up. And then my lovely, lovely tomatoes. Now I did get a really good start to the tomatoes, I felt like. There's maybe a few blank spots, but they're all doing really well. I'm glad I sowed some extra. This is, even with some of the ones that didn't come up, I will have plenty of tomatoes to go around. And I might just throw some more seeds in there. That would be fun, wouldn't it? All right. All right, thanks for joining me for that quick little update on the seedlings. And I'm gonna probably put some more seeds in those trays so that I will have them full. And I will come back and let you know at a later date how they're doing, and let you see the progress. So thanks for joining me. So if you learned anything new today, please like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. It really means a lot to me. Just to know that I'm helping somebody out there, okay? And y'all take care. Thanks.